Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a squishy, showing you some of my squishies. And this is part 1. I will be showing you different episodes. Not episodes, but this is the first round or whatever. But I do have some squishies to show you guys, and this is the first episode thing, whatever. So the first squishy is this cake. So yeah, next. Alright, so the next squishy is this one. It's this Hello Kitty hamburger. So this is the smoothie. Next one, and by the way, I haven't made a ton of videos, so yeah, just fourth round I think. Yeah, fourth round. Next. So this is the fourth squishy. It's this seashell. This one has pink eyes. It doesn't really focus. Next is this ice cream. Oops. It's like ice cream cupcake. Donut. But yeah. Okay, so I had a really nice, but last one is this Squish Delish Poo. This is more brown on camera, but here, let me show you if I could. This is how brown it is. Without light, but that's how brown it is. So yeah. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.